Mom with the horse, mom with the people. We are rolling, rolling, rolling. We are mom with the horse and mom with the people. You have 4 feet, I have got 2. I have 2 hands, you do not have any hands, but you do have a much larger mouth than me.
Peytyn singing Whiskey, the Peytyn mantra.
I'll tell thee, I'll chew up and down and up besides, because I am omnivorous, you are a herbivore. You love carrots and apples and many, many grains. You love all of those kind of foods. Much like a chicken, except they are also omnivorous. They will eat anything you give them like a goat. Yes, there are many variations. As animals, we are two of different kinds. Yes, many very small occupations together in the past. Not many times we have been in each other's acquaintance. Now we do have a couple of times. A couple more times we have. You're going to associate me with this voice. Do I hang out the same way, but I will be on. Not much difference, except I will be on your back this time. Instead of leaning, I will be sitting. This will be the only difference, and you know I like to dance with you, cha-cha. I like to dance with you, cha-cha. I like to dance. I like to dance with you, cha-cha. We like to dance a salsa or tango from time to time. You know I am a quite ambitious person at sometimes. We will be the greatest of friends and we will ride the distance in the mountains and through in the creeks and valleys. All of the different climates and all of the textures of the ground, which is called terrain. Yes, the terrain. Keeping in mind that your feet, not mine, that we sit in the ground. That is the first thing we bonded over, was the fact that you have 4 feet and I only have 2. It's a little bit of a difference, but not really all that much, to be fair. You are nice to sit on, you know that. You are such a good boy. Oh, I'm just relaxing. You are very pretty. Bye.